Hello guys, my name is Preetham Sarkar and you are watching Superhuman. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today's investing topic is gonna be investing the Warren Buffett way. So Warren Edward Buffett is an American businessman, entrepreneur and a business magnate. Not to be mentioned, he is the fourth richest man. How much money he have? Total almost like $90 billion or something like that. And all the money he made throughout his entire career and still making money throughout this career by investing on stock market. Most of them are investing on the stock market. So what he does all of his wisdom he shares to any kind of news channel. If you find in the morning shows and stuff like that, and you get to see a lot of newspaper talking about him, about his fortune, but all the time he share his wisdom with us. And today morning I just saw something that some news came up about some coronavirus can affect the stock market and something like that, and the market is in a bubble, and it's all of a sudden is trying to go downwards. And that struck me like why should I fall on this trap? Without falling a trap, I made a 5 list of Warren Buffett's investment strategy, and today I'm gonna share with you just that. So number 1 is invest what you know, nothing more. So invest what you know, it means that if you want to invest on your hard-earned money in any kind of stock market or any kind of places that you want to invest in, you need to do your research first. So first of all, you don't know anything about technology, or suppose you don't know anything about sports or travel. So you don't want to go to on that particular place and you're going to buy the stock of technology or travel or sports, something like that. So suppose vice versa, if you know about technology, or if you know about sports, or if you know about traveling, so you know how the markets operate. When is the high time, when is the low time, when can be market goes down, and when to invest, when to not. You know about everything, right? So if you know that what you are doing in any kind of sector, in any field that you want to invest your money in, you go jump right in, because if you know that what you're doing, you will make money for sure. Number 2 is never compromise with your business quality. So you need to look after your stock very carefully. You cannot compromise with your stock. That's a very, you need to fall in love with your stock. You feel me what kind of passion I'm talking about? Like he said, if you do not know what's the quality is gonna be of that particular business, is the business gonna go for a long run or what? Like 20 years, 30 years, and then the business is gone? No, the business supposed to be like timeless, like Coca-Cola supposed to be. The company that for like God knows how many years we have been drinking Coca-Cola. So that's the particular fact. That's the fact that know what you invest. And the second is know your business quality, which kind of business you want to invest in. Actually, when you buy a stock, you know what you're doing, you know what you're jumping into, and then before buying in, you need to check the quality of that company or the quality of the business. The business should be a great value to the marketplace. They should be providing a lot amount of value to the marketplace, and if the people are satisfied with their value, that's a very good company. You should buy right in. So always you do your research about knowing how the business works. Is it a good business? Is it a bad business? Should you jump in? Should you not? Should you save your money? Something like that. So number 3 is when you buy a particular stock or when you invest in particular business area, try to hold that thing forever. If you hold that stock forever, the chances are very, very slim to lose money on that particular field. So at least if you don't want to hold that stock forever, you should give yourself a time frame which is supposed to be 8 years to 10 years for that stock holding, and you will see the growth. I promise you will see the growth. If you study the market cycle, it goes down. What goes down have to be goes up. So that's the thing. If you study the market cycle, you need to know that you need to hold the stock and enjoy the rewards. So here is the catch. Low cost index funds is my number 4. But particularly to be mentioned, Warren Buffett actually don't like too much diversification of your portfolio. He always suggests that you should make your own research and try the right company, try the right business to invest in. But I would say if you invest on a low cost index fund, it will give you a very good amount of diversification on your portfolio, which can be a very good result in my point of view. A very good result when the stock market is going down. There is a very less chance, there is a very less amount of losing money if you invest money on the ETFs or a low cost index fund. But for the dividend investor, I would say don't go to ETFs if you want to reap your dividends. So the dividends is something else. So ETFs or low cost index funds, they don't provide a lot of ETFs. That's how they works, and that's how it is. Number 5, know the difference between price and value. Price and value is most important thing when you are jumping right in on this investment market. So if you see a stock is $50 worth and it's going up, and it's in 1 week it's already $200, so it makes sense that it's something sort of story. People are buying story, not they're not analyzing the company, or they're not looking inside the company that what's going on. It's actually, to be honest, I'm not that long time investing on the stock market, but I can say the market cycle. So it's people on that time, people are buying stories to invest. So that's why please do your own research. Always remember, the price always what you pay, and the value is always what you get. So do remember that, the difference between price and value. So alright guys, these are my top 5 information from the almighty Warren Buffett, and I would like to hear if you know any kind of information. I would like to know very much. Please comment down below on the comment section, and I will put one Robinhood link which can you go and sign up, and you will get 2 free stocks, and you can enjoy and you can learn about stock market in the Robinhood. It's a very easy interface and stuff like that you will get to know. And please do subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.